Welcome to All Around the World. Today I am going to tell little about grooming. Grooming is the measures and care taken by a person to present himself or herself in a clean, neat or smart manner. Makeup is an art. We can do yoga along with the makeup. First we have to apply rose water on our face for toning our face. Take little cotton and just dip the rose water and apply on your face. Apply gently. If excess rose water is there, take fresh cotton and just dip on your face. This is for moisturizing and giving a fresh appearance. This will nourish your skin also. Close your eyes for a little. Apply moisturizing cream, any moisturizing cream what you have in your home. It should be branded. When you are applying on the face, don't forget to apply on your neck too. Neck upwards you have to apply the cream, and on the cheeks circle wise upwards, and on the eyes two sides. Nose also you have to cover. Forehead you have to apply two sides. Chin also towards two sides you have to rotate your fingers, so you will blood circulation will increase on your face. This itself give you a instant glow on your face. Now we can apply aloe vera gel. This will toning your skin, at the same time moisturizing the skin, and the makeup will not spoil our skin. You can close your eyes and relax in between you are applying makeup, so that also will give you a glow on your face. Very slowly you have to apply the aloe vera gel. This is a toner. Instead of primer, we can use aloe vera gel. Primer and all will spoil our skin and we will get pores on the skin. Apply upward direction slowly. This for moisturizing the skin. Any brand aloe vera gel you can use. Don't forget to apply on your necks too. Next we can apply the foundation. I am using Fit Me. According to your complexion you can choose the shade. Apply very little. Touch in between your eyebrows, it will increase your memory. Wherever you are having pimple mark or black dots, there you can touch the foundation. Then you can even spread it on the face with a brush or whatever you like that. I am using brush. Try to apply it in all even towards the upside of your face. This is 10 minutes makeup, daily makeup. It will give you a matte finish on your skin. Apply on your necks too. Make sure that you apply on your skin even. Next we can apply the compact. Again I am using Fit Me. Compact you should apply very little. So I am telling you a simple method of makeup because everybody can afford it. I'm not using concealer here because I don't like concealer. I don't like concealer. It will definitely spoil your skin and you will get much black mark on your skin. I never will use concealer. Instead of that, I'm using this compact powder. For highlighter, I'm using normal talcum powder. You can use that. Otherwise, if you want highlighter, you can use it. It will give you much. If you are doing using highlighter, it will show that you used much makeup. I don't like that, so I am using normal talcum powder. Next we can concentrate on our eyebrows. Because of pandemic we are not able to shape our eyebrows, so start with your where you are starting your eyebrows bow. From there you can draw down, and from beginning slowly you can draw the eyebrows. I applied lip balm before itself. I forgot to tell that. Now you can shape your lip lines with the lip liner. What shade you are using? Darker than that you can apply on your lips. After lining the lips, you can insert lipstick on your lips. I am applying with the lip liner. I am not using lipstick directly on my lips. With the lip liner itself, I will take the lipstick and I will fill the remaining part of my lips. So it will give you a perfect finish. Make sure you apply the lipstick even on your lips. Enjoy the makeup and do. It will give you a mental peace in your mind if you are doing this with calm. Taking time and do. This is 10 minutes makeup, not much time and all. So lipstick will spread, right? So what I am doing, I'll apply little talcum powder around the lips, then I'll just smudge it. Extra powder and extra foundation, this compact and all we can brush with the puff. Now we can concentrate on your eyes. I'm using Lakme eyeliner. Just to draw one line from the corner to corner. I'm drawing 3 lines. According to your eye size, you can draw. Next, this is mascara. First, you have to apply towards the upside, so towards the downside, then slowly lift the eyelashes. First apply towards down, then lift the eyelashes. Now almost our makeup is over. Make sure about your highlighter and lipstick or even you applied. Perfection is the beauty of makeup. Just according to your face you can choose your hairstyle. Now just for a video I am just choosing one hairstyle. This makeover is for Onam. I am wishing all the subscribers, everyone all watching, happy Onam. And thank you for subscribing my channel. Like, share and subscribe.